Well, good morning, guys. It's going to be an upload that I haven't done in a while. The wind's kind of crazy today, so excuse my hair. But, yeah, after a lot of setbacks for the last year and a half, and multiple surgeries, a house replacement, a vandalized yard, and a couple of bouts of pneumonia, we're going to see if we can get the garden back up and going. So, I've had some help. I'm going to switch the video around, kind of give you just an overview. There we go. This is what we have done. The people who are helping me don't want to be on video, so I have to wait till they're not here. But we got some Louisiana evergreen shallots growing. I thought I lost all of my heirloom red onions, but I found one, and it's coming back. And we've got some lettuce growing, and some little sprouts, and some more lettuce, and some mammoth basil, some Thai basil, some cilantro, and some more warrior green onions. And I extended the beds all the way out to the front. And we're still getting things in the process of getting set up, so I've got some starts to sell. Got my peppers started. My roses survived. And there's some more shallots. And we have some basil. And I got a couple of trees from the Terrebonne Greening Committee, I guess is what it's called. But we have a flaming red maple. I have a plum tree that I bought from a big box store. And then we have a Schumer's oak there in the back, right there. And again, the yard's not perfect, but we're still working on it. I have 2 rows of Sharons that survived. I got those planted up. And that's my little twig of a mulberry. We're going to see if that comes back. I'm not sure yet, but it might. And that's where we're going to put the potatoes this year. I'm going to try my hand at some potatoes. I've got my carrots and some Tom multiplying onions that I had bought from Hoss a couple of years ago. And I thought I lost those too, but we found several nestings of them. And we put these in, and they are coming back with a vengeance. And of course, under the wood, I have my carrots planted. And then we have some Texas sweets here. And I bought some starch at another big box store. And that's where the green beans are going to go. And we got some more green onions. I don't know if you can see that with the glare. Hopefully you can, but they're tiny right now. I have the white turnips growing here, which I need to thin them out. And we have some French breakfast radishes growing here. I found some bulbs. I'm not sure what they are, but they haven't come up yet. And my Primark Freedom was stolen. Let me get out of the sun so you can see. But fortunately, it had rooted itself into the ground. So we dug them up and we put them in here. And this is the biggest one we found. I finally got it in a container. And that's my polka blackberry. And we're going to see about grafting some lemons onto that rootstock there. I don't think it survived the cold, but it's got a little bit of green, so it might come back. But yeah, I just wanted to drop a video real quick. Show you that I'm on my way back. And there's my little southern rose. Again, the yard ain't perfect yet, but we're working on it. So I just want to give y'all an update and tell y'all that there's going to be videos coming again this spring and summer as things get going, and the daily survived. So I just wanted to drop a quick video, let y'all know what's up, and we'll see how it goes. And hopefully, now I'll probably be down for a little bit when my surgery on my shoulder gets done. Waiting on workman's comp to finally come around and pay for it. Which, you know, you pay for that stuff the whole time out of your check, and then when you need it, they don't want to come through. Typical insurance crap, but yeah, we'll go. But my house is replaced, It's still not set up. I still haven't been able to unpack everything because, of course, my shoulder's out of whack. I ripped the muscle out of the bone trying to help a customer at work who didn't want to do their fair share of the lifting. And I'm only 5 foot and only weigh 120 pounds. So when you have a paid table that's 3 times your weight, it's kind of hard. And you end up getting hurt. So there you go. But I'm on my way back, and we'll see how it goes. So hope everybody's got their garden started. I'm finally getting mine in with some help because I can't do anything with my shoulder the way it is. Can't even unpack my boxes. So yeah, good luck in the garden this year, y'all, and hopefully I'll see y'all soon. Y'all have a great day.